Welcome back to the session of power electronics. In this video, I am going to discuss how does type A chopper operate. So we have different type of chopper according to the direction of current and voltage. So first of all, I'll be discussing type A chopper. It is also known as class A chopper. So what do you mean by type A chopper? So moving on to the discussion. First of all, let me draw the circuit diagram of type A chopper. Okay, we can check the circuit diagram. So that circuit is important first. We can have a note of circuit diagram. Circuit of type A chopper. It is also known as class A chopper. Okay. Moving on to the discussion. Okay. So first you can mark the switch. This is my power electronic switch. Can be MOSFET, IGBT, power BJT, etc. Usually we'll be using either MOSFET or IGBT. Then we have a freewheeling diode, can mark FD, then a load. Okay. And we have the supply VS. Okay. And this is your inductor and the resistor. Basically, it is RL load. Then we have to mark the output voltage V0. So polarity also you have to mark, correct? And we have the power electronic switch, can mark in this fashion. So put it as CH, chop. And we have the output current I0. First, let us give the brief description about type A chopper. The operation, it works in the first quadrant. That is why it is known as type A chopper. Okay. Also, since it is working in the first quadrant, the output voltage and the current are positive. Now I'll be discussing the working. How does it work? First of all, let us consider when the switch is at on condition. So on condition means switch will be closed, correct? With respect to the PWM. Now we'll see the current start flowing in this fashion. Now you just tell me, what about the direction of the current? So here, will the diode conducts or not? The diode become reverse biased, right? So you can keep it as an open circuit. Now we'll see R, L. So you know that the current start flowing in this particular direction, correct? And it will come back in this way. Okay, this is your L and we have R. Polarity is important, positive, negative. Here what will happen? The inductor stores energy. Okay, because switch is on, the inductor stores energy. Now switch is off condition. Switch is in off condition. So whenever switch is off condition, you mark like this, correct? It is in the open condition. Now, so you keep like this, inductor and the resistor. Here, according to law of energy conservation, the stored energy will be discharged. So polarity will be reversed so that the current, see, current will be flowing in this direction. So that means the diode become forward biased. So diode will conduct it, correct? So you can mark the direction of current. Clear? So freewheeling diode is going to operate. Freewheeling diode is going to operate. So in the first case, so we can mark like entire entire input voltage comes across the output. So Vs will be equal to V naught. But in the second case, it is a short. So we can say that the output voltage is becoming 0 volt. Correct? So this is what exactly happening in the case of type A chopper. Now we can draw the waveforms. So now you can check it up. So already you know that the uh, type A chopper that will activate, the switch will activate after providing a suitable PWM. So PWM pulses will be given. At that time, what will happen? The inductor current rises from minimum to maximum. Okay. So that means output current and inductor current will be same only because all are in series. So inductor start energizing. Okay. So once the switch is off, what is going to happen? Here you can see it is off condition. Okay. So the stored energy that will be discharged. So this process will be repeated with respect to the on and off. While we are talking about the output voltage, whenever switch is on, the entire input voltage will come across the output. Whenever switch is off, you know about the short, the circuit is getting shorted. Okay, output voltage will be 0 volt. Then the cycle will be repeated. So this is regarding the operation of type A chopper. So if you have any queries, please do let me know. Thank you for listening to this video. If you are watching my channel first time, I request you to subscribe. Happy learning. I wish you all the best for your examination.